Hello again, guys. We have ChoroQ number 86, which is a Subaru Sambar with this Akabou delivery service livery. Okay. Let's see. This is from 2003. Get this out of here. What's this piece of paper? Let's see what this is. Maybe this is something with this delivery service? No, it's not. It's something about ChoroQs. Yeah, they're wind-back toys if you're unfamiliar with ChoroQs. I don't know if they have a track system or what is that thing there. Yeah, look at this toy. It's like a crazy track that goes up and down. Interesting. Alright. 60 bucks. Not that interested. But anyways. Alright, just trying to promote some products, I guess, back then. I mean, $60 back in 2003. That seems like an expensive playset. Okay, well, this is the only image of a delivery truck with this square corrugated back I could find, but the front end is not the same. This front end is more like this truck here with these rectangular styling vents. They're not really even vents, but... So, it's kind of like this front end with that back end. I think it's alright. It's obviously a Subaru Sambar. Alright, let's see what else they got in here. So, yeah, this livery, I guess, Akabou, I'm not sure if I'm even pronouncing that right, but it's some sort of delivery service, and they have a bunch of different trucks. It's got stamped steel wheels, are actually pretty accurate, but they're just a raw, swirly plastic, though, so I'm going to do a wheel swap. There's a door handle here, but no paint, same there. Okay, so the headlights are just painted. There is a Subaru badge here as well. I don't think my camera can see it very well though because it's black. Unfortunately, no black paint in there either. Is this smoked? I can't see the pic, so I kind of feel that's totally black. I think it might be black paint because it's not perfectly smooth either. Got some orange peel to it. Seems to be a side marker. And then, yeah, 2003. Black painted rear here. Alright. And then a whole hinges and all this other stuff here. No paint on the taillights either. So, well, you know, it came in that standard red box, so I feel like that's just a standard ChoroQ, so probably not a very expensive toy to begin with, so I think we should consider ourselves lucky to have that paint of the livery here. Alright, let me get this stuff out of here. I'm going to swap in some Hot Wheels, those JDM 4-spokes from Hot Wheels. Oh, I can't get this thing off. Oh, look at there's this post here. It's making it very difficult to pull that motor out. I'm going to have to go off camera here. Hold on. Alright, so I got that out. I'm going to pop in this other ChoroQ motor where I removed the drive shaft out of it. Okay, put this back together. So, I just put these Hot Wheels Wheel Rider wheels, and I took some other ChoroQ tires and put them on there, and then I'm using some sticky tack putty to just mount them all against that blank motor. And I'll probably set some camber, make it totally slammed and practical. This one has Hot Wheel Rider tires, but they're not the JDM tires. They're squarish. JDM tires are really rounded, but I managed to fit them on there anyways. So now I like it a lot more. It looks like a custom delivery truck. So for ChoroQs, it's all about fun. I don't really care about realism as much, so Setting some camber there. Alright, let's pull up this spin coaster thing and take a look at a couple other toys. Here's a picture of a guy, a really low quality picture. So these are really small trucks, the Subaru Sambars. I mean, it's almost like a golf cart. Alright. So I do have a Aoshima all plastic toy version of this, but I do believe it's 1/64 scale. It's just all plastic, it's not metal though. And it's similar. Well, no, the grill is quite different. Alright. There's a top view. So the Choro-Q actually isn't that far off because the Sambar is such a small little truck in the first place. You know, it's not very long. Alright. Let's compare it to some other cartoon trucks. So I have this tiny Q. This is a Toyota Hiace. And then I have a ChoroQ Toyo Ace PK30. And then I have a 3-axle Peterbilt, I think, from ChoroQ. And then another delivery truck is this tiny Q Isuzu Elf. The really tall box back there. So well, I feel like this doesn't fit at all because everyone knows a Peterbilt's a huge truck, but it's really small, Choro-Q, what they did there. And then I do feel like this tiny Q is a little bit weird looking in this mix also, because I think an Isuzu Elf is not a necessarily large truck either. And then the box on the back is just huge, but I mean it is a cartoon vehicle, so it's supposed to look funny like that. Alright. Anyways. Let's get Edna up here. So I definitely like this toy with the Hot Wheels Rail Riders. These chromed out JDM ones. Big fan. I do like the Sambar as well. I mean, just looking at the real photograph back there again, it's just it's such a funny small truck. If you got into an accident in that thing, you're not gonna really survive, sadly. I mean, I'm guessing these don't meet international crash standards. Alright, well anyways, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you the next time.